Hello guys, this is Nightwings Beyond here. I just ordered this package. I'm not gonna tell you yet what it is, but for you just to have an idea, it's about I'm trying to expand my YouTube channel now. Yeah, exactly. So I am gonna still play DC Universe Online in the meantime, but I also was playing a recent game on beta. Blizzard was sending me an email if I want to try it, so I try it out. So I kind of enjoy it and I ordered it. So for you, all of you, I hope you support me also, and thank you very much for all the likes and the comments you have given me on my YouTube channel. So let's open it together. Very interesting. Ooh. Let's take a peek. Whoops. Everybody notice something? Another peek? Yeah? Looks familiar? Okay. Let's open it carefully. Yeah, I don't have a support, so I'm trying one hand to film with my phone and the other open it. Okay. Let's put it back like this. Open, says me. Yeah guys, I'm gonna play Overwatch, and guess what, this is the Origin edition, so this is the first game. Okay, I'm gonna take it out easily, careful. Ooh, what is this? Nothing more, just piece of paper to make the box much bigger. Okay, let's like this. Ooh, look who we have here! Tracer! Nice! And she looks awesome, especially her ass. Yep, fantastic. Okay, let's careful open it. Oh yeah, we have sticky things. Okay. Yeah, to tell you all which one of the characters are my favorite. To be honest, I have only one favorite. He's not that big or not that top. He's just a soldier. Exactly, Soldier 76. I don't know why, but even his origin story, I like it very much. After I will install and play a couple of, I don't know, maybe hours of this game, I'm gonna try to make a trailer, unofficial trailer about Soldier 76. Yep guys, he's my best. Okay, let's open it to see, because it's rather big for just a game. So come on. Ooh, what do we have here? Oh yeah, what's this? Overwatch. Man, this is looking awesome. What is this? Guys, this is just fantastic. Okay, I'm gonna original medal of the Overwatch. Awesome. Yeah, let's put it back. Awesome. Fantastic. And oh my gosh, this is awesome also. Okay, how do I open this? Okay. Yeah, I'm having a bit of trouble here. Okay, wait a second guys. Okay guys, I'm back. So basically an honorary medal for the Overwatch. This is looking fantastic. Okay, let's check the medal. It's looking fantastic. Rather peachy, if I do say so. Oh! Origin from Blizzard. Nice one. Guys, I think this is a very good relationship between me and the Overwatch. So, I'm gonna put this aside here. Oops. I'm gonna put this aside here. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So that's the game, yeah? And I'm gonna put this also, yeah, this one. This Medal of Honor. It says here, Blizzard Entertainment. Sorry about my camera, guys. It doesn't want to show you very much when it's going closer. Do apologize. It's just a phone camera. Sorry, guys. Maybe in the future, with the help of you guys, I will be able to buy me a HD camera. And this is the game. Okay. So this is empty box now. Yeah, empty box. So this is the game, yeah? Okay, let's open it together. Let's open it like a fucking book. Ooh, the world needs heroes. Awesome. Okay, open. This is awesome. Quite interesting. Okay, another one. Oh yeah, so guys, check it out this. You see? I'm gonna move like this. Still like this. Awesome stuff. Awesome. Oh wait, something's here? Oh, that's the game. Okay. Let's take the game out. Yeah, guys. So basically, this is all you get from the original. When you order the Overwatch in the game the first time, the origin package, this is how it looks like. One honorary medal, one trophy, the game, and this lovely case that keeps the game. It's just fantastic, guys. It's wonderful. Thank you very much. This is Nightwings Beyond, and see you inside the game.